Virginia stands as a remarkable destination, seamlessly blending centuries of history with breathtaking natural landscapes. From the rolling Blue Ridge Mountains to the tranquil shores of the Chesapeake Bay, the state offers a diverse array of scenic wonders. Its historic towns and landmarks tell the story of America's past, while vibrant cities and charming villages invite exploration. Visitors can walk in the footsteps of founding fathers, discover preserved battlefields, and enjoy the serenity of lush forests and picturesque coastlines. This unique combination makes Virginia a place where history and nature coexist, offering something memorable for every traveler. Colonial Williamsburg offers a unique opportunity to immerse yourself in the sights and sounds of 18th century America. As you stroll through the meticulously restored streets, you'll encounter costumed interpreters who bring history to life with engaging stories and demonstrations. Historic buildings, from blacksmith shops to grand colonial homes, provide a glimpse into daily life during the American Revolution. Visitors can witness traditional crafts, participate in interactive activities, and even attend reenactments of pivotal events. The experience is both educational and entertaining, making it a destination that appeals to all ages. Colonial Williamsburg stands as a vibrant reminder of the nation's early days, inviting everyone to step back in time and explore America's rich heritage. Shenandoah National Park is renowned for its sweeping mountain views and lush forests. Visitors can explore over 200 miles of hiking trails, including a portion of the famous Appalachian Trail. The park's crown jewel, Skyline Drive, winds along the crest of the Blue Ridge Mountains, offering panoramic vistas at every turn. Throughout the year, the landscape transforms with vibrant wildflowers in spring, dense greenery in summer, and brilliant foliage in autumn. Wildlife such as deer, black bears, and a variety of birds are commonly spotted along the trails and roadways. Whether you seek adventure or tranquility, Shenandoah offers a memorable escape into nature. Mount Vernon stands as a testament to the legacy of George Washington, offering visitors a glimpse into the life of America's first president. Nestled along the scenic banks of the Potomac River, the estate features the beautifully preserved mansion, lush gardens, and working farm. Guests can explore the original rooms where Washington lived and entertained, as well as the museum filled with artifacts from his era. The grounds also include Washington's tomb and memorials that honor his contributions. A visit to Mount Vernon provides a unique opportunity to step back in time and experience the history that helped shape a nation. Virginia Beach offers an inviting stretch of sandy shoreline, perfect for sunbathing, swimming, or simply relaxing by the ocean. The bustling boardwalk is lined with shops, restaurants, and entertainment options, creating a vibrant atmosphere for visitors of all ages. Families can explore a variety of attractions, from aquariums to amusement parks, ensuring there's something for everyone to enjoy. Whether you're seeking adventure or a peaceful retreat, Virginia Beach provides a memorable coastal experience. Perched atop a gentle hill in Virginia, Monticello stands as a testament to Thomas Jefferson's vision and ingenuity. The neoclassical mansion, designed by Jefferson himself, reflects his fascination with architecture, innovation, and the ideals of the Enlightenment. Inside, visitors encounter rooms filled with artifacts, inventions, and personal touches that reveal the third president's daily life and interests. Outside, the meticulously landscaped gardens and winding paths showcase Jefferson's passion for horticulture and sustainable farming. Every detail, from the grand dome to the vegetable beds, tells a story of creativity and curiosity. Monticello remains not only a historic residence, but also a living reflection of Jefferson's enduring legacy. Luray Cavern stands as the largest cavern system in the eastern United States, drawing visitors with its breathtaking underground landscapes. As you venture through its winding passages, you'll encounter towering stalactites hanging from the ceilings and sturdy stalagmites rising from the floors, formed over millions of years by mineral-rich water. The caverns are renowned for their dramatic chambers and unique rock formations, some of which create natural stone columns where stalactites and stalagmites have joined together. The cool, echoing environment adds to the sense of wonder, making each step feel like a journey into the heart of the earth. Luray Caverns is not only a geological marvel, but also a testament to the slow, powerful forces of nature at work beneath the surface. Richmond, the capital of Virginia, offers a dynamic blend of culture and history. Its vibrant arts scene features galleries, theaters, and public murals that bring creativity to every corner of the city. History enthusiasts can explore significant Civil War sites and museums, gaining insight into pivotal moments that shaped the nation. Along the James River, scenic trails and parks provide opportunities for outdoor recreation and relaxation. Together, these elements make Richmond a captivating destination for visitors seeking both cultural enrichment and natural beauty. Arlington National Cemetery stands as a solemn tribute to the men and women who have served the United States with honor and sacrifice. Spanning over 600 acres, its rolling hills are marked by rows of white headstones, each representing a story of bravery and dedication. Visitors often pause in quiet reflection, recognizing the profound sense of history and reverence that fills the grounds. Among those laid to rest here are presidents, astronauts, and countless soldiers from every major American conflict. The cemetery also features iconic landmarks, such as the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier, where a perpetual guard honors the memory of unidentified service members. Arlington remains a place of national remembrance, inviting all who enter to reflect on the enduring legacy of those who gave their lives for their country. Chincoteague Island offers a unique glimpse into the untamed beauty of the eastern shore. Here, wild ponies roam freely across windswept marshes, captivating visitors with their grace and resilience. The island's pristine beaches stretch along the coastline, providing tranquil spots for relaxation and exploration. Lush landscapes and diverse wildlife make Chincoteague a haven for nature enthusiasts. Whether you're watching the famous pony swim or simply enjoying the serene surroundings, the island promises an unforgettable experience. Great Falls Park offers a stunning display of nature's power and beauty. Here, the Potomac River crashes over jagged rocks, creating a series of dramatic waterfalls that captivate visitors year-round. The rugged landscapes surrounding the falls are shaped by centuries of rushing water, providing a striking contrast to the tranquil forests nearby. Trails wind through the park, offering scenic overlooks and opportunities to observe local wildlife. Whether you're drawn by the roar of the water or the peacefulness of the natural setting, Great Falls Park is a remarkable destination for exploration and appreciation of the outdoors. Virginia offers a remarkable blend of historic landmarks, vibrant cities, and breathtaking natural beauty. From the colonial streets of Williamsburg to the majestic Blue Ridge Mountains, each destination tells a unique story. Visitors can stroll along the shores of Virginia Beach, explore the halls of Monticello, or hike through Shenandoah National Park. The state's rich history is woven into every corner, inviting exploration and discovery. Whether you're drawn to cultural treasures or scenic landscapes, Virginia promises memorable experiences for every traveler. Embrace the opportunity to uncover the wonders that await across the Commonwealth.